Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson from social subject. The lesson name is Production and Employment. Production and employment are the activities in economy of every country. The economy means a large set of production and consumption activities. The money also involves in this economy. So this economy broadly divided into three sectors. Those three sectors are agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector. These three sectors are called economy. In every country, in every economy of every country, these three sectors must be there. In agriculture sector, some related activities, they come under the agriculture sector. These are fishing, forestry. You know what is fishing? Catching fishing and selling them, and these activities involves in agriculture sector. And forestry, and this also under the agriculture sector, because we get so many things from forest, so much income we get from forest. Third is mining. You know what is mining? Digging and taking so many minerals from underground of the earth. This through this mining we get so many minerals and metals from the earth. So by selling them, by using them, we do so many things, we produce so many things. So this mining also come under the agriculture sector. Next one is farming. Farming means producing different crops and so many agricultural goods, food items, different agricultural goods comes under this farming. And next second sector is industrial sector. In this sector, we know some large scale industries which are very big. So many number of employees, workers, laborers worked in these large industries. They produce very big items. And this type of industries, they are called large scale industries. Next one is small scale industries. Some minimum size of goods, this type of small goods are produced in small scale industries. A limited number of laborers works in small scale industries. And cottage industries, this mostly these cottage industries are run by some individuals at their homes, at their uh, small garages like that. These are all industrial activities run by missions, mission made goods produced from industrial sector. Next one is service sector. The service sector doesn't produce directly any goods, but it gives service to these two sectors. And these two sectors depends upon the service sector. By taking the service from the service sectors, these two sectors produce different goods, like agriculture goods and industrial goods. In this service sector, so many services like banking, transport, hotels and restaurants and post offices, like so many services they done in this service sector. So these are the three sectors involved in the economy of every country. These are the important points in production and employment. I will give some related activities. So you have to write which activity belongs to which sector. Okay, thank you.